performance. Kirin 659 is good for general tasks. Very occasional slowdowns. Huawei's own high-silicon sub-brand makes the Kirin 659 chipset that powers the Honor 9 Lite. It's a mid-range chipset paired with a mid-range amount of RAM -3GB, and these combine to punch exactly where you'd expect a 199-pound smartphone to. Benchmarking on Geekbench returned a multi-core score of 3,696. Far from being a powerhouse, the Honor 9 Lite does what it needs to do without too many flourishes, although, usefully, one of the flourishes is comfortable split-screen multitasking. Video playback was smooth at up to full HD resolution. 4K MKV files were too tall in order, even when using third-party apps, but given the screen's resolution that isn't a drawback per se, just a reflection of the power limitations here. Wi-Fi and signal strength were spot on in our tests, as was fingerprint scanner reliability. Memory read-write speeds were on the slow side, so transferring big files and general data-heavy tasks won't be zippy, but provided you don't mind waiting, the Honor 9 Lite did at least prove reliable in our tests. Battery life. 3,000 mAh battery makes this a full-day phone. Plenty of power-saving modes. Thanks in part to the Honor 9 Lite's undemanding 5.65-inch screen, the 3,000 mAh of battery under the hood is ample if you're an average user looking for a one-day smartphone. Power users might run dry in the evening, while light users may creep into a second day, making the 9 Lite's battery performance solid without being stellar. What's especially good about the Honor 9 Lite, and specifically a Mi 8, are the battery optimization options within the settings. These range from small tweaks, like adjusting the output resolution, through to an extreme power-saving mode, which disables most of the phone's smart functions in order to eke out as much battery life as possible. It's worth noting though that the Honor 9 Lite doesn't support fast charging, so you'll want to charge it overnight when possible.